Lacey.
Look at the way you're sitting.
She leans.
She's a Kermit. Kermit the Frog. Cow Pig Frog Shark. Baby, I love you. I love you. You know what that means? It means I love you.
I've always wanted to just let them out, let them play together.
They wouldn't though. They would get too excited. You'd have to have them on a leash at first. Lacey's being all cute.
They're like nose fart, dude.
Yeah, they're very cute. Okay, there's pee-pee under there. That's gross. She's so funny. It's like the sneak attack.
Come under here, look. I get you under here.
Lacey's like, what do I do? I don't know. See, half my